This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Soundboard to Discord server. So if you downloaded or created a Soundboard sounds and now you want to upload the Soundboard to your server, follow these easy steps. Open Discord and go to the server where you want to add the Soundboard sound. Click on the server name. Click on server settings. Click on Soundboard. And it's time to upload the soundboard here. So click on upload sound. Browse. And select the sound. Once it's added here, you can crop the sound like this. Now you can change the soundboard sound name here. Click here to add an emoji for the soundboard. You can adjust the sound volume from here and click on upload. And that's it. As you can see, the soundboard sound has been successfully uploaded. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.